Second place goes to the Cecotec Mambo CooKing Unique, the model in this list that automates the most recipe steps. Its ChefCrown has 6 ingredient compartments and a central reservoir for stock. The machine adds them at the programmed time without requiring you to return to the kitchen. It also has a 4.5-litre bowl, a 7-inch screen, 45 functions, and a maximum temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. With the bowl, basket, and steamer, it can coordinate up to 4 preparations. The dispenser is not a marketing extra. It genuinely changes a staged recipe and lets you leave it unattended for longer. The drawbacks are a bulky setup, more parts to clean, and a steeper learning curve. It ranks second because nothing else automates as much, but the winner is more balanced for everyday cooking, improvisation, and manual control.